Hello, welcome to the demo of SOLTISCAN for Android, running on a very good device, which is the OPTICON H28 with a powerful scanner and a very nice look and a powerful CPU. We have here three products that we have to input to the stock. Here we have the scanner. We are miles away or million miles away from the PC. The PC is here running SIM with the option remote connection. We can see that the quantities of products are all zero, and the database will be automatically updated from the remote scanner. We select the button input to enter products into the stock. We scan the label and we enter the quantity when it's different from 1. Then we can go to the next one. And then, when we have selected all the products, we can decide to send the data to the central database using the export button and sending a mail. Using a mail is very safe because you know the mail always arrives, even if you don't have connection when you make the job. You know that someday things will be connected together and the data will arrive on the software. Here we receive the data, and then we can see from refreshing the quantities that we have new products into the stock, and when we go to the logbook, we can check what has happened. So this is our solution for a very attractive solution using any Android device and running on any PC with our Simple Inventory Manager solution. Please visit our website, simpleinventorymanager.com. Thank you very much.